Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. Correction to Turnip Seed here, and happy Freedom Friday. I'm so excited that it's Friday, and I am so excited because today they canceled school. So it was nice. I got to stay at home and get some stuff done that I need to get done for myself and my business. Got to get some things done. So yeah, Freedom Friday. So here I have a wonderful picture of the beach because this is what I visualize, what I'm working towards, freedom. Not that I'm going to be on the beach all the time, but one of my goals is to get there more often and to get there from beautiful places. Okay, so the 625 you see here are my results for the week. I made $625 this week, and I'm going to kind of go through why that is great for me, what I'm working towards and building with my freedom plan, how you could also do the same thing, and what I'm using to get these results. Okay, so let's get into it. So I at the beginning of the year I restructured my businesses, and actually, let me move myself, hold on one second. Okay, I'm gonna kind of put myself like here. Okay, that works. So what I did was I restructured my businesses. On the front end of my business, I have an instant pay program that I love, and it is email processing system, also known as EPS. And I love this program because it's an instant pay program. It pays $25, $50, and $100 commissions. You only have to pay a fee one time to join, and you never have to pay no monthly fees, anything like that. It's very newbie friendly, and training is included, and the training is really wonderful. Actually, a lot of the training that's in the email processing system I used in my other business to make sure that I got the results that I want. Okay, so I love I feel like it's worth it by itself. The instant pay program email processing system. So what I love about this program, this is what I use to make sure I have cash flow coming through to help me get traffic for my marketing system business, which is PowerLead system. Okay, PowerLead system, the reason why it's part of my business strategy is because it allows me to go all the way from micro commissions of $6 and $20 all the way up to $100, the diamond commissions, because $100 is diamond level, to platinum level $400. So I can, on any given person can come into my funnel and they could decide, oh, I want to buy a $6 product, which is Lead Lightning. They could decide they want to come as a gold member and buy, and then I get $20 commission, plus I get a 50% match of their pay line. They could decide they want to come in as a diamond. I get a $100 commission. They come in as a platinum, $497. I get a $400 commission. All right, so I can get any of those commissions in one program. I don't have to go out there and promote a million programs trying to stack money. It's so cool. I have a large ticket and a low ticket all in one program. And the other thing I love about it is that I actually use the PowerLead system to promote my email processing system. So it's like a win-win. It's like I'm getting paid for using my system, and I'm using my system to promote my instant pay program. So it's a win-win. Okay, so that's my strategy in a nutshell. The biz and the marketing system. Okay, so this is a screenshot of my commissions from February. Let me move my picture up. Hold on a second. From February 22nd to February 25th, I made $500 in the PowerLead system, which is the marketing system. I got the $400 fast start bonus. Okay, and then I had a $100 diamond commission come in, so that was a total of $500 in 3 days. Okay, not even. So yeah, pretty awesome. I'm totally loving this system. Yeah, so with the PowerLead system, what we do, my results are not atypical if you follow the blueprint that our team has given. So what we do with the PowerLead system, you come in as a gold member. All right, start getting into the training. We immediately, as soon as you sign up, you get your funnel set up, and we give you step-by-step directions how to do that. It's super simple as long as you can follow directions, and then we start showing you how to get free and paid traffic to your capture page or funnel. Okay. And that's it. And then as long as you're inviting people to the Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday calls, okay, which we show you how to do that, you start converting people. People start, getting interested. People start upgrading in the system, and that's how you get these $500 commissions. Okay, super simple. I wish I had known how simple this would have been a long time ago, because I would have been, I had actually joined Power System years ago, and I didn't understand how to use the system. But then when I joined this team, which is the Freedom Takers team, they explained very simply how to use it, and now I understand it, and now I understand the leverage, okay, with this program. The other thing I love about this program is as you start bringing people in with you into the Power system, you will get matches of what they make as well. So it pays for you to help your people, okay? Because you're going to get a percentage of what they make as well. So leverage, okay? And then they're going to do the same thing. Everybody wins with this system. All right, moving on. This is my instant pay program. I didn't really promote it this week at all, actually. I just didn't. And I still made $125. That, of course, after PayPal took their money or whatever, it came out to be like $124.67. So I got a $100 commission and I got a $25 commission. So I made $125, and I didn't even promote it this week. I did not promote EPS at all. So $625 for doing a few simple tasks, a few hours a week. I think that's a good trade-off. Yesterday I was making a video in my onesie. I had I don't know what they call it, like a fleece onesie, and I was making a video, and I was thinking to myself, wow, like this is true freedom, because I could be standing on my feet at a part-time job for 20 hours on top of my full-time job, which I used to do for years, to make what I made in this week. And I wouldn't even make that. I don't think I've ever worked a part-time job where they've paid me $625 in a week. I don't think ever. Yeah, I would have to work like a lot of hours, like a full-time equivalent, to even make that. And right now, like, places of employment don't even hardly pay anything. So anyways, I know people work full-time and don't even bring home what I made in commissions. And like that, to me, that's just freedom. And the freedom to me, Freedom Friday, what freedom means to me is it's not about being flashy or, or making these, huge commissions, which that's nice, because I'm waiting for that. I'm building towards that. But what it means to me is being able to have discretionary income to do what I want or need to do. So, like, for example, something big just broke in our house, and I'm able to contribute to that. Right? I'm able to help, make sure that gets fixed. Whereas other people, that happened, they would be in a bind. They wouldn't know what to do. The water heater goes out. What would you do? Right? Having extra income allows me the flexibility to be able to do other things. All right, so I'm excited. I'm super excited for what I'm building in my business and how simple it is, as long as I stick to a process. So I'm sticking towards that. Today I sat down and I built a new training funnel for my EPS team. So I sent that out to my team. They have it to help them get results like this following the system that I use. And it's amazing, because I didn't really, like I said, I didn't even promote, and I got an extra $125, which is cool, because it's all about following the simple steps, right? And I've been doing that. So that's it. I hope this was of value. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the comment section below. There'll be information on how you can contact me. All right, bye guys.